Oh, where have you been, my blue-eyed son? And where have you been, my darling young one? I've been to a country that's reeling in crisis, consumed by the spread of a deadly new virus, which now has invaded each state in the nation, and is quickly expanding all over the planet. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain's gonna fall. And what did you see, my blue-eyed son? And what did you see, my darling young one? I saw an old woman who died from the virus, who struggled to breathe till she finally went under, who ended her life isolated from loved ones, unable to reach out and touch her grandchildren, alone and afraid in her life's final moments. And she was just one of the multitudes dying that are certain to grow by the hundreds of thousands. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain's gonna fall. And what did you hear, my blue-eyed son? And what did you hear, my darling young one? I heard the voice of a man who's an ignorant blowhard, obsessed with himself and his own public image, intent on evading the blame for his errors, who lies and misleads every time his mouth opens, who hasn't a clue how to feel true compassion, whose only concern is his own re-election, and keeping the stock market booming and growing, while the land is in desperate need of a leader. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain's gonna fall. And who did you meet, my blue-eyed son? And who did you meet, my darling young one? I met an Uber driver whose income had dried up, who had no idea how to make his rent payment. I met a young nurse without proper equipment, whose life was in danger just caring for patients. I met a grocery worker who feared for his safety, but stayed on the job because she needed the money, with no other way to provide for her family. I met a Chinese girl who'd been spit on and threatened by haters who blamed her for spreading contagion. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain's gonna fall. Oh, what do you do now, my blue-eyed son? And what do you do now, my darling young one? I'm staying at home with my wife and my family. observing the rules for containing the virus, playing video games with my son and my daughter, connecting online with my friends and co-workers, attending church services through my computer, or joining a Seder logged in on my laptop, avoiding contact when I'm out in the public, staying 6 feet away from the folks I run into, collecting equipment for healthcare providers, and trying to laugh in the face of the crisis. And I'll pray from my heart for the health of the nation, but I'll back up my prayers with commitment to action. And I'll work till I drop to beat Trump in November. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard